Once upon a time in a lush, vibrant jungle lived a small boy named Timmy. Timmy was a curious and kind-hearted child who loved exploring the wonders of nature. One day, while wandering through the dense foliage, he stumbled upon a group of animals huddled together in distress. A wise old rabbit named Whiskers explained that their water source was drying up and they were facing a severe shortage. Timmy, moved by their plight, decided to help. He gathered the animals and proposed a plan to dig a well near the jungle's edge to access a hidden underground water reservoir. The animals, though skeptical at first, agreed to Timmy's idea and joined forces. Timmy, with his small hands, and the animals, with their varied strengths, worked tirelessly day and night. The task was challenging, but the camaraderie between the boy and the animals grew stronger each passing day. As the well grew deeper, they encountered obstacles, like hard rocks and tangled roots, but Timmy's determination and the animals' perseverance prevailed. Finally, after days of hard work, water gushed out, filling the well to the brim. The jungle was saved. The animals rejoiced, and gratitude filled their hearts. Whiskers, the rabbit, approached Timmy and said, "Young one, your small hands held the power to bring life to our jungle. You've taught us that unity and determination can overcome any challenge." The jungle flourished once again, and the story of Timmy and his animal friends spread far and wide. The moral of the story was clear. No matter how small or young you are, your actions can make a big difference when you work together for a common goal. Timmy's kindness and the animals' teamwork became a timeless lesson for generations to come in the heart of the vibrant jungle. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.